Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of dog odor in a car. If you have, a dog that got muddy, maybe you gave him a bath and he jumped in the car with you, wet dog or any kind of dog odor is really unpleasant and you're in your car every day, so it's not something that you want to smell. First off, clean your car, vacuum it. The best way to get rid of any odor in your car is at night, before you go to bed, grab a bowl and vinegar. It doesn't have to be a large bowl, just a small bowl like this. Fill it about halfway full and set it in your car. Leave it there overnight. When you wake up in the morning, your car will not stink. It may have a little bit of a vinegar smell, but that'll go away after a couple of hours, and somehow the vinegar absorbs any odor that may be in your car. It works with any odor, a fuel odor or really anything. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that's how you get rid of dog odor in a car.